Hello guys, I am Santosh and you are watching our YouTube channel Fanuc PLC and CNC tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you how to take a SRAM backup from Fanuc CNC and how to restore SRAM backup to Fanuc CNC. So what is the procedure we will discuss in this video. Okay, basically what exact SRAM backup consists. Okay, SRAM backup consists of all machine data including programs, CNC parameters, tool offset values, workpiece origin offset values, pitch error compensation data, PMC parameters like timers, counters, data table values, all CNC information value, all these things are stored in SRAM backup only PLC ladder except PLC ladder is not available in SRAM backup. Except PLC ladder, all machine data is available in SRAM backup. So it's very important to take a SRAM backup of your machine whenever you buy a new machine or after some years, every 6 months, or when you change your machine programs or settings, every time you need to take SRAM backups. If your machine breaks down means again you can reload that backup and restore your data. So that is very important. So that's why I am showing you how to take a SRAM backup or restore SRAM backup in Fanuc controller. And one more thing, I am giving you one extra warning, means if you are new to this process, please take help of person who knows SRAM backup procedure. Okay, don't do alone, because maybe by unknowingly if you do mistake means anything will happen. So be careful while you taking this backup if you are doing first time. Okay, so let's start. Before going to start, subscribe our channel, press bell icon and set all notifications so that you will never miss any new video update from my channel. So let's start. So here I am having one file, PDF file. Here I have given a step-by-step procedure how to take SRAM backup from machine and how to reload SRAM backup to machine. So first procedure I will show you how to take SRAM backup from CNC to memory card. From CNC to memory card or pen drive, how to take backup. So that I will show you. So first step, switch on machine and press emergency button. Okay. And second step, go to offset screen. You know this offset screen. See here, if you are using compact flash card, memory card, then you need to set IO channel 4. If you are using pen drive or USB pen drive, you need to set here 17. Okay, remember. And next step, switch off machine. Now again you have to switch on machine with a condition that you have to hold on these two buttons same time. Okay, what are all those buttons? Rightmost soft key, this one, rightmost soft key with rightmost continuous key. See, this is rightmost soft key and rightmost continuous key. Both switch you have to press same time, and same time you have to switch on machine. Okay, and then you will get a like this screen, black color screen. So that screen will consist of system monitor main menu. This window will open on a CNC screen. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 options are there. You select 7 number SRAM data backup. Okay, select this and then click. See here, select SRAM data backup. How to select this? You need to use page up and page down button on MDI panel. Okay, actually your cursor is initially here. You need to come down, down, down like this using page down button. You come here, you select this one, and then here click yes. When you click yes here, use here soft key, and then SRAM backup started creating, means your SRAM data from machine is going to your memory card or pen drive. Okay, then after that one message will come, this one, SRAM underscore BAK.001 file appears on screen. A message SRAM backup complete will appear. Okay, on bottom of screen here, maybe here down it will come. Okay, so before that one more setting is there. You need to select this one, SRAM backup. SRAM backup, you select SRAM backup. When you select SRAM data utility backup here, and when you press yes, then this you have to select SRAM backup CNC to memory card. You here two options are there, CNC backup, CNC to memory card you have to select, and then this message will come. Okay, after that you need to select end and yes. Okay, and your data will be saved. This file will come in your memory card direct. One file will come SRAM underscore BAK.001. Okay, and then again you need to remove your card or a USB pen drive and make go to offset screen, make this 0, this one, make this 0. Okay, and next step I will the second point I will show you how to take SRAM backup from, how to restore from memory card to CNC. Same procedure, only one change is there. I will tell you again. Switch on machine with emergency press condition and make IO channel 4 for memory card or 17 for USB pen drive. Okay, and then again switch off machine and again switch on machine, both hold these buttons and switch on machine, same condition. Okay, and again this screen will come. Again go to SRAM data backup. Now you have to select SRAM storage memory card to CNC, this one. Second number you have to select, this one you have to select. Okay, and then click yes here, click yes, and then this message will come, backup is completed, SRAM backup restore is completed will come, and then select and end yes. Okay, only difference is if you are taking a taking a SRAM backup from CNC to memory card, you have to select this option, or if you are restoring a SRAM backup from memory card to CNC, then you have to select this one, restore. Only these two difference. Okay, and next make IO channel again 0. So this is the procedure of taking SRAM backup. I will share this document with you. You can download this document. I have given a link, this PDF link in this video description. In video description I have given this PDF download link. You can download this file. Okay, you can refer this. Okay, but be careful whenever doing a first time, means you need to take a some precautions. Okay, don't do any mistake. Okay, so if you think this video is helpful for you, means please like this video and share this video with your friends and colleagues who don't know how to take SRAM backup from machine. Okay, and thank you for watching this video. We will see in next video. Bye.